Hello everyone, in this video we will be solving exercise 1.2 third question. So now here we will see third question. Look at Reiaan's bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom area. In that the first question, what are the coordinates of the four corners of the bathroom? O, F, R and P of the bathroom. So where is O? O is here. So what are the coordinates? So this is the x-axis. Okay, so this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, so this is the y-axis. Okay, now so O coordinates, so here this is the origin, so the origin coordinates will be 0 0. Then the coordinate of OR 0 comma 0. Then F, so this is y-axis, so on y the x will be 0, so it will be 0 comma, this is 8 and this is 9. So 0 comma 9. So F is how much? 0 comma 9. Then R, X is how much? Minus 6. So X is minus 6 and Y is how much? Y is 9 here. This is 8, this is 9. So Y is 9. So R is, and this is point R, coordinate R. So minus 6 comma 9. And P is this. So P is on x-axis, so Y will be 0. So X is minus 6 and Y is 0. So the coordinate of P is minus 6 comma 0. So they had asked us to write the coordinates of these 4 points, which we have done. We'll see the second question, the second sub question of third one on the next slide. So now here we will see the third question. Look at Reiaan's bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Second question, what is the shape of the showering area? So this is the showering area, SHWR, in the Reiaan's room. So what is the shape of the showering area, SHWR in the Reiaan's bathroom? So we will answer that first. So here if you see this shape is a trapezium, because in a trapezium only two sides will be parallel. So this side is parallel with this side and these two sides are not parallel. These two sides are not parallel, only two sides are parallel. If this is the case, then the shape is called as trapezium. Since SH is parallel to RW, SHWR is a trapezium. Okay, now so this is done. Write the coordinates of the four corners. So we have to write the coordinates now. So coordinates of SHWR, SHW and R. We have to write the coordinates. So here S coordinates are what? S is X is how much? S is minus 6 and Y is again 6. So S is minus 6 comma 6. Then H is how much? H is minus 3 and Y is how much? Y is 6. So minus 3 comma 6. Then W is how much? W is 2, X is minus 2 and Y is 9. So W is minus 2 comma 9. And R is how much? R is X is minus 6, because you can see here X is minus 6 and Y is, this is 8, this is 9. So Y is 9. Always we write X first and then Y. So R is minus 6 comma 9. So these are the coordinates of the showering area. Now we will see the next question on the next page. Now here we will see the third sub question of this third question. So mark of 3 by 2 space for the wash basin. Okay. So we will see the wash basin coordinates first and then we will see the next part. Okay. And so 3 by 2 space. So I have marked 3 by 2 space here. So this is P. So I have taken this as P2, P3 and P4. So I have marked 3 by 2. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. 3 by 2. So 1 unit 0 to 1 and 2. So 3 by 2 I have marked, and we have to write the coordinates for this wash basin coordinates. So this P coordinate is what it is, minus 6 comma 0. So x is minus 6 and y is 0 on x-axis. And P2 is how much? It is minus 3. First x and then y. Y is 0. And then P3. P3 is how much? It is uh, first x, so minus 3 comma then y is 2. And p4 is what? P4 is first x, which is minus 6, and y is how much? 2. So these are the coordinates for the wash basin area. So I will write it. So p is how much? P is minus 6 comma 0, p2 is minus 3 comma 0, p3 is minus 3 comma 2, and P4 is minus 6 comma 2. So 3 by 2 they had asked us to mark. I have marked 3 by 2. So this is 3, this is 1 unit, this is 2, and this is 3. So 3 by 2. So here if you see from here it is 1 unit, it is 2 unit. This is 1, this is 2. So 3 by and like this 2 units. So P, P2, P3 and P4. So 3 by 2 space I have marked all the 4 coordinates for wash basin. Now we will see further, and a 2 by 3 feet space for the toilet. So toilet they have given, we have to write the coordinates of the corners of these spaces. So now for toilet they have asked 2 by 3 feet. So 2 by 3 feet means like this, from here to here 2, okay, 2, and like this 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 by 3. So I have kept this P4 only, I am not changing the name. So Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 or P4. So these are the coordinates for the toilet, and we will write this. P4 already I have written. So Q1 I will write, Q1 I will write here only. So Q1 is how much? It is minus 4 comma, and here it is 2. Okay, so this is Q1. Now Q2. Q2 is how much? Q2 is, this is minus 4 comma, like this you see it is y is 5. And Q3 we have to write. Q3 like this it is minus 6, and here on y axis it is 5. And you see Q4, or let it be P4 only, and P4 already we have written. So now we will write here. Q1 is minus 4 comma 2, Q2 is minus 4 comma 5, and Q3 is minus 6 comma 5, and P4 is minus 6 comma 2. So these are the coordinates for the toilet. So guys, this completes our third question here. So thank you very much guys. Please subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much guys.